What's up, guys, and welcome to our speed tour of our standard preferred room here at Port Orleans Riverside. First thing you're gonna notice is we're in a corner room, so we have two big windows right there. You have your kind of basic little dining table right here, so you could have a nice little meal. Moving on over here, we have our big flat screen TV against the wall, and this one does actually turn, unlike the ones on Disney Cruise Line. We have our big vanity, or whatever you want to call it, right there, with 6 of these massive drawers just like that. And then we have our mini fridge here as well. And we have our little coffee station right here, so you have coffee, tea, everything you could ever want. You have your little safe right there. Moving into the bathroom, we have our typical bathroom vanity. This is the actual vanity space. We have our 2 sinks, shelving right there. We have our hair dryer, ironing board, luggage rack, and hangers right over there. Moving into the bathroom, toilet room, shower room, whatever you want to call it. Toilet right there, shower right here. Ours is a walk-in shower, but they do offer ones that are bathtubs as well. As you can see, spacious little shower area right there. And this does close off as well, if you would like. And this door shuts too. So moving in here, we have 2 massive queen-sized beds. As you can see, we have little reading lights on either side. Very nice. And we have our Hey Disney. So pretty cool. So there you have it. Standard preferred room here at Port Orleans Riverside.
If you would like a more in-depth tour of this room, check out our YouTube channel at Pixie Dust Adventures.